All right, y'all, get ready because here comes inflation. We have been seeing inflation data in months. And the next 2 days, we're going to get it hot and heavy. And the reaction from the market, let's not do a damn thing. We saw it across the board, treasuries, the markets themselves, all traders, even the Fed are all sitting around wondering what CPI and PCE are going to read the next couple days. Remember, folks, we haven't gotten inflation data for quite some time. The Fed keeps telling us their Fed funds rate goal is 2%, but here we are sitting at 3%. And if I look at forecast year over year, it's 3%, it's 3.1%, and the anticipation of month over month is 0.3. That's not good. And I think that's exactly what we're going to see. We are not going to get significant data that I think is going to move the market. I think it's going to come in right about where they're forecasting, maybe slightly below, because I think they're being aggressive with that forecast. But at the end of the day, the number's still going to look like shit. It's still sticky. It's still way over where the Fed wants it to be. And they really don't know what to do about it. They keep decreasing these Fed funds rate when you have sticky inflation around 3%. What does that mean overall? Hey, that's the new norm. I think we may see a slight increase in rates tomorrow based off that CPI number. I think it's going to come in, like I said, a little bit below forecast, but I think core PCI and things like that, I think is going to look really sticky. And in this environment where you're seeing jobs slow and you're seeing sticky inflation, like I said yesterday, it is a clear definition of stagflation, means that the Fed really is kind of politically making moves instead of making data digested moves with the Fed funds rate. I think long term we have a real problem, but today, a lot of nothing. It's going to be hot and heavy tomorrow. So make sure you tune in so you know exactly what the market did and how it affected interest rates. And until then, make sure you hit that subscription button. Would love for you to never miss a beat. So make sure you do that. Be greatly appreciated. And like I said, hey, fingers crossed. I mean, I'm really hoping that inflation number comes out lower, but I'm also not holding my breath. All right, y'all. Be coming to you tomorrow with another episode. Cheers.